Oh no. This last question, it's so hard. Everyone is faster than me. What if I fail? What if I disappoint Mom and Dad?
Go, Oliver! You can do it! We believe in you, Oliver. You're the best brother ever! Shh. This is my secret gift. It's a secret. It's gonna help Oliver. Shh.
1 month earlier. With a single letter. Let's see what's inside. Oliver, you've been invited to take the middle school entrance exam.
Really? Wow, what is middle school?
But what if I can't pass?
You don't have to be perfect.
You only need to try your best.
What is middle school?
It's a place where kids become smarter and a little braver.
Do they ride dragons?
Maybe. Just remember these 3 things, okay? Believe in yourself and never give up.
I'm gonna never give up too, Daddy.
I can do this. I will study hard. I won't give up.
Go, Oliver!
This is my study plan. I'll follow it every day.
And I will help. I am your cheerleader. I will help you. I am Super Lily. Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Math is hard, but I can do it.
You are smart.
Thanks, Lily. School.
School.
No, school.
School.
School! Perfect!
Look! You are my hero!
Really?
The best brother.
Thank you, Lily.
Look! This is for you.
Your nose is blue.
What?
Day after day, Oliver studied harder. He wanted to make his family proud.
I'm tired. What if I fail? What if I'm not smart enough?
You should drink milk, so you'll become stronger.
Lily, you woke up for me?
Of course. You can do it. I believe in you.
Thank you. I won't give up.
Go, Oliver! Go, Oliver! You can do it! Can do it!
You're so silly.
You are amazing!
No, I won't give up. I can do this.
That's my brother! Time is running out.
You're not the teacher.
Today I am.
I studied so hard. Why am I still not good enough?
Oliver,
It's okay to fail.
I tried. I really tried. But maybe I'm not good enough.
I'm here. I believe in you.
Oliver, falling down is not failure. Giving up is.
we love you no matter what.
I got it! A lucky box. It will make Oliver brave again. This box will protect Oliver and help him be brave. Our lucky coin.
We'll share our luck.
This shell gave me courage. Now it belongs to Oliver. When Oliver feels scared, he can remember he is never alone.
Sometimes, the greatest gifts are made with love.
This is for you.
For me?
What matters most is already inside.
You kept all of these?
They're your superpowers.
Thank you. I needed this.
Brothers don't give up.
I don't have to be perfect. I just have to do my best.
That's my brother!
Just be yourself.
We're proud of you.
Go win this thing!
I'll do my best.
We'll be waiting for you.
Believe in yourself.
Go, Oliver!
I can do this.
Go, Oliver!
Oh my goodness.
You are amazing!
This is adorable.
Number 1!
You may begin.
Okay. Let's do this. I know this one. And this one. I can do it. Oh no! I don't know this one. What should I do?
You can do it! I believe in you!
Thank you, Lily. I don't have to know everything. I just have to try my best. I can do this.
Time is up.
I did my best. I'm proud of myself. It's over. I really did it.
You did it!
I missed you too.
How was the exam?
It was difficult. I didn't give up.
That's what matters.
Waiting can be harder than the test itself.
When will the results come? I can't wait any longer. What if I failed? What if everyone is disappointed?
Results don't decide who you are. You are already my hero.
Thanks, Super Lily. Okay, whatever happens,
I'm ready.
we're with you.
We're so proud of you.
And sometimes,
The greatest victory.
Is discovering how strong you really are. Pizza party!
Best day ever!
It tastes even better today. Thank you, Lily. You never stop believing in me.
That's my job. I'm your little sister.
You drew this? This?
Of course! You beat the exam monster!
This box gave me courage. Now it belongs to both of us.
I'll protect it. You passed the exam, but you know what? You were already my hero.
They teach us who stands beside us and how strong love can be.